If you're not a certified technician or don't have enough projector installation experience, in order to not drill 10 holes in your ceiling, you should pay more attention to specific features when choosing a projector for your golf sim setup. These include lens shift and Keystone. Both lens shift and Keystone provide great installation flexibility, allowing you to make changes to the location of the projected image without having to relocate the projector, so it's easy to get the installation done in one go. When installing a projector, the ceiling height of the room, the position of the impact screen, and the length of the ceiling mount are all related and important. Most of the time, when you finish mounting the projector and confirm the projection size, the next step is usually to move the projected image up and down, left and right to fit your screen. There are two options for this, namely lens shift and Keystone. Lens shift is through the optics in the projector, so we call this optical adjustment. The cost of this mechanism is usually higher than digital options, but the geometry of the image doesn't get distorted. Image clarity and sharpness are not compromised. If your projector has vertical lens shift functionality, you can move the lens assembly up and down with a physical knob. If the projector supports both vertical and horizontal lens shift, you can mount your projector higher and also to the side of the playing area, so you don't have to worry about hitting it with your golf club. Lens shift requires a more complex optical design, so projectors that have the feature are usually on the higher end and also have overall better specifications, such as higher brightness or an all-glass lens to improve quality and durability. Here we are going to show you how to use lens shift to align the image relative to the screen using the BenQ LK936ST 4K laser projector as an example. The BenQ LK936ST offers excellent vertical and horizontal lens shift, allowing you to shift the image up and down, left and right to fit your screen distortion-free. With all projectors, the lens shift adjustable range has limitations. The area over which you can shift the lens, image, and projector position is not the rectangle, so using both vertical and horizontal lens shift causes them to interact with each other. The BenQ LK936ST has a vertical shift of up to 60% of the projected image and horizontal shift of up to 23% of the projected image. We have a 177-inch image with 154.3-inch width and 86.8-inch height, for example. If you shift the image 34.7 inches up, or around 40% of the height, maximum horizontal shift will be around 11.8 inches, or about 7.6%. The available horizontal range gets smaller as you approach the extreme of the vertical range, and vice versa. Another option is Keystone correction, which plays an important role for installation flexibility when your projector has no lens shift support. For example, the projector has been ceiling mounted off-center from the screen, resulting in a trapezoidal shape. This happens when a projector is not perfectly in line with the screen. Keystone can help change the image back to an even rectangular shape. Here, we are going to show you how to use vertical and horizontal Keystone to align the image relative to the screen using the BenQ LW500ST LED projector as an example. The LW500ST has a plus or minus 30-degree adjustment for both horizontal and vertical Keystone. First, make sure the projected image is larger than the impact screen. Press Quick Install and press down to select 2D Keystone on the remote control. Press triangle buttons to adjust values. Apply horizontal Keystone to correct the image until the top line of your image is parallel to the floor. Also, apply vertical Keystone until the left and the right sides of the projected image are vertical to the floor. The mechanism is a digital process, so it uses compression and scaling to manipulate the shape of the projected image. Image sharpness and clarity will not be as good as an image adjusted through lens shift. Lastly, you can manually adjust the four corners of the image. Press Quick Install and press down to select Corner Fit on the remote control. Press triangle buttons to select between corners and press OK to adjust vertical and horizontal values. Basically, both lens shift and Keystone correction greatly enhance installation flexibility when the projector is placed off-center from the screen, helping you build your golf sim easily and quickly. Pay attention to these features and their availability when choosing a projector for your home golf setup. BenQ is the industry leader in golf simulator projectors, which come in a variety of different options depending on your requirements. Stay tuned for more as we continue to make golf sim projectors better.